Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to adjust and move banner image position on desktop in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to make your Shopify online store more professional, customize it as your need without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Also, if you wanted to learn Shopify store design, customization and development, then you can also continue this video. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store, and you can see that the image position is not looks good or perfect right now. So we wanted to move and adjust it as our need. Okay, to do this, first of all, we have to log in our Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click customize option. And now you can see that here is the image banner section. So click on it, then scroll down, open the custom.css, then simply paste a simple code. Here is the code. Paste in here. Okay, then click save. Okay, now reload. Wow, it looks good. We can also change this image position by inspecting, then implement the update number of, let me show you. Looks here. You can change it as your need. Looks here. Perfect. Okay, then simply change this number in here, minimum height from 19 to 65. Click on the save and then reload. Okay, looks good. Now the question is that how you will get this code snippet. You will get this code snippet in the video description. I will share the code snippet link in the video description so that you can easily copy the code from my website. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.